Hello everybody, welcome to this channel. Today I am gonna show you how to connect PS5 controller with PC. There are two methods. Let's discuss the first one. First of all, go to Settings, then Bluetooth and Devices in Windows. Then click Add Device. After that choose Bluetooth. Then hold the PS and share buttons on your PS5 controller until the lighting around the touchpad turns blue and starts to flash quickly. The share button is the one just to the left of the touchpad. After that, select Wireless Controller from the list of Bluetooth devices. The PS5 controller will connect to your PC and you'll get a confirmation message indicating that you're ready to go. Now, let's discuss how to do that with USB cable. First of all, you have to connect the USB cable with PC. Fortunately, your PC is able to connect automatically with PS5 using USB cable. A notification will be arrived after it is connected. That's all, you are ready to go. And if you don't have any Bluetooth function, you can use Bluetooth adapter. Like this video if it helped you, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.